Hello and welcome to my channel. This is my second episode with Jaecoo 5 and today I will show you step by step the multimedia system or infotainment system, however you want to call it. So stay with me and just watch to the end. Okay, let's start with the quick control. As you can see, you've got your car. Here you've got short menu. Here you can find what if you are missing something or you're looking for something, you can just use the loop. Okay, so you got lock doors, unlock toggle, you can open just like that, okay, or you can close again, and it's nice and quick, I will say. I love it. Lock the windows, adjust the sunshade. We are talking about the roller, how I call it, and you can adjust automatically from the screen or from this button. Okay, but here you got the percent, for example 50%. Well, yeah, working well. All right, well, let's open it. You've got the drive mode, few of them: eco
mode,
normal
mode, sport mode,
and sport mode. There's nothing actually changed, just the menu. I'm talking about the graphic. If you are going to the menu and you are not sure about something, you can click the I and the car will explain to you everything step by step. What that means: lights, headlight, delay. So if you are, for example, you are parked the car on the front of your house and there are the doors, so when you are just moved from the car will keep the lights on for the, let's say, 10-15 seconds. Okay, headlight adjustment. If you've got some kids and also lots of luggage, you can just change the level of the headlights. Now, vehicle setting, lots of stuff. So let's start from the top. So the first one, you can just customize the button on the steering wheel. If you would press the button and keep for, like, let's say 2-3 seconds, you will have the few options. Depend what you're gonna choose, you will get everything on this button. Quite nice and simple. So you can adjust the opening high for the tailgate. That's quite clever, because if you are parked the car in the garage and you've got something over the car, so that's quite clever. Okay, wiper sensitive, so we've got 4 options. Door lock settings, so if you lock the car, could be only lights or lights and horn. I prefer only lights. Maintenance reminder, so that's mean the car will remind you about the next service. Wireless charging on, of course, and this one, car will let you know if you will turn off the engine, you will go out and the car will just say you forgot your phone. Drive mode memory, that's quite important. If you are driving the car mostly on the eco mode, each time when you just come back to the car will be always on the eco mode. So that's quite clever. Not all cars can give you the opportunity, and so this one is about sensitive of the steering wheel. I prefer sport. It's my personal preference. Okay, and tire pressure reset, just don't touch this. All right, or if something will be happen with your tires, with your pressure, then you need to just reset them. Driver assist, that's also lots of stuff. That's, guys, about your safety, so just always keep it on. That the speed limit assist, as you can see, there is the 30. If you turn off, there will be nothing. Okay, but I prefer to keep it on, and that's for your safety and saving your money. It's everything about your safety, so there is plenty to talk, and the video will be over 1 hour if you would like to explain you everything step by step. Hopefully you can see that everything is nice and clear. The line departure warning, that's very important. So if the car is on the road and you've got the line on right, on the left, so if you will just cross the line, you will hear the sound vibration or sound and vibration. Sometimes the vibration is the best way. Okay, also the sensitivity. Emergency light keeping, okay, again. All right, open door warning, blind spot, so that's very important. Okay, and the rear collision warning, that's the same like on the front is at the back. And driver monitoring system alarm, always keep on. Lighting atmosphere, that we are talking about the ambilight. If you are fan of that, you can choose color of the light. Okay, you can just change them however you like. Quite easy. Okay, Bluetooth, all the device which you can connect with the car, so you can just find everything here. The sound, you can adjust the sound however you like to any other device or voice navigation, media, Bluetooth, phone, alarm tone, lots of stuff. That's about the voice command. Okay, if you want to talk with the car, that's about the sound when you click that touch screen, traditional, technical, or trendy, like that. or reset. Voice, automatic mode, drive mode, or close. It depends of what you like, what you want. Automatic, so wake up switch is if you want to say something to the car, like turn off navigation, turn off, for example, air condition. You can just say, "Hello Jaecoo."
You can tell me.
Air condition off.
Okay.
Easy. Hello Jaecoo.
Here.
Air condition on.
Okay.
And here you can adjust the time after the conversation. If you want, for example, say just only one comment and that's all, you can keep at close. If you want after that say something else without "Hello Jaecoo," you can adjust to 10 second, 15 second or 20 second. Okay. Display, all settings about the display. Auto is the best one. Dark is on the very sunny day is too dark, and actually, okay, the front one is fine, but this one you will not see anything. So keep it auto. All information about the system, like data, language setting, fuel consumption, units, unit settings, however, whatever, everything you will find here. And device manager, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. At the bottom you've got your air condition. Another option, whatever you want. So for example, like I said before, if you just press the home button for a few seconds, you can just add something or just delete or swap. And you can do on that way, look at that. For example, swap them for any feature you like. Okay. So the air condition panel, lots of feature. I really love it. Everything nice and clear, exactly what you are looking for. Also seat heating for the passenger and the driver, free level. And the settings here, that's the automatic defogging sensitivity. So if you are jump inside the car and the car will go lots of steam inside the car, after you turn on, will automatically clear all the windows for you. You can just set that on off, low, high, medium or high. Okay. And also the air condition you want on medium, low or high. Okay, so on the front of you, as you can see, you've got the screen, which is not that big like I showed you on my first video. So that's my iPhone 50 Plus. That's the size of the screen, and that's the size of the screen in this car. But apart of that, I will say there is everything what you need to see at the front of you. And let's be honest, everything is nice and clear. You've got few options here. Okay. Here is nothing complicated, everything's nice and simple. So if you're looking for something more, please let me know in the comment below. If you've got any question, also let me know in the comment below. And hopefully I showed you everything what you need to know about the infotainment system and all new Jaecoo 5. As usual, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, take care of yourself and your 4 wheels, and see you next time.